The Waved Applications Installation View serves as the central hub for system setup, maintenance, and configuration. To access it, navigate to Settings and then select Installation View. Within the Installation View, different logical parts of the system are conveniently organized into tabs, reflecting the step-by-step process of setting up Waved at a new venue. These tabs allow you to configure various components, including hubs, processors, sources, source selectors, zones, and sensors. For a comprehensive overview of an existing installation, users can utilize the system tree, accessible through an expandable sidebar. The system tree visually presents the logical parent-child relationships between different installation components. Clicking on a specific component within the system tree filters the installation view's tabs, displaying only the relevant components associated with the selected one. This filtering process is indicated by a breadcrumb menu at the top of the view. To remove the filter, simply click on Clear in the breadcrumb menu.